welcome to Sugary Treats. Myself Chef Reema. Today I come with a new recipe for you, that is bread pizza. This recipe is good for snacks. Also the kids gonna love this recipe. So I'm making this recipe specially for kids today. If your kid is not eating a vegetable, this is the best way to give them a vegetable, lot of vegetables. So I'm going to add carrots, beetroot and cabbage into this recipe. The vegetable, the optional is completely your choice. You can add any of the vegetables into this recipe. So let's start making this recipe. So let me introduce you to ingredients first. I have taken butter over here. This is 1 tablespoon of butter. I have taken mayonnaise. This mayonnaise I had made at home. This is homemade mayonnaise, eggless homemade mayonnaise. Also I have taken corn in this. I have taken cheese into this, half cup of cheese. I have taken cabbage, capsicum. This all are small, one cup small, 1 cup. So you can see the size of the cup. It is very small cup. I have taken cabbage, capsicum, grated carrots, beetroot. I have chopped the beetroot. It's fine chopped beetroots, tomato and onions. Also I need a pepper. अगर आपका बच्चा नहीं खाता, if your kids are not eating very spicy, please avoid this. You can add salt into it. Mayonnaise में salt है, so if you really don't eat much salty, you can just skip the salt. I have taken ketchup over here and I have taken bread slice over here. So I am going to show you this recipe in 2 ways. You can either bake it into the oven and also you can do it on a pan. I am going to show you in both ways. So here we are going to add all the vegetables. In tomatoes, carrots, capsicum, beetroot, onions, corns, cabbage, so I'm adding pepper into it, salt. Pepper and salt are completely on your taste, as you require. I'm adding cheese into it. You can also take processed cheese. I have taken mozzarella cheese because it was available with me. I'm adding little ketchup into it. Now I'm going to mix all these things all together. So as you can see, I have mixed all these things together. So now we are going to keep this aside. So in this bowl of butter, there is butter already in this bowl. I am going to add mayonnaise into it, 2 to 3 spoons of mayonnaise. I am going to add ketchup into it. To mix all together. So now it is mixed properly. I am going to add some seasoning into it. I am going to add little oregano and chili flakes into it. You can skip this part if you don't want it. If you're not having this also, you can skip it. Very little chili flakes. So now I have taken a bread slice over here. What I am going to do is, so we have taken this kind of ring, 2 rings. So this way I am going to do all the bread slice. So now we have done this. See, I have taken 2 types of cutter. this and then this. This is a bigger size, this is a smaller. From the smaller size I've done this, the inside one, and from bigger size I've done this. Okay. If you don't want to do this, you can just put it onto a plain bread. You can just directly take a bread and then put a spread and vegetables, and you can directly do this. I am doing this just to, for a presentation purpose. So now we are going to put a spread. The spread which we had made, this. I'm going to do this for all the breads. So now we have to take this and just place it onto this. Now with the help of spoon we are going to add into this. This way we have to add at least 2 spoons of filling. Press it. This I am going to do with all the rest too. Now I am going to bake this. This two I am going to bake it, and this one I am going to do it on pan. Okay. So let this bake. I will get back to you. So as you can see, I have kept this on a pan. So you need to put little butter on it, and then you can place this. Heat the pan, put butter, and then place it this. And you need to cover this. So I am going to cover it with a plate for 2 minutes, and then I am going to show you. So as you can see, it's done. Now I am going to add little grated cheese on top. And now I am going to off the gas. So as you can see, I have baked it in the oven also, this too, and it's done. Now I am going to add some grated cheese on top. So as you can see, it's baked, and now I am adding little cheese on top. This is completely an option that if you wanted to add cheese, because we have already added cheese into a mixture. And now it's ready. It's a little hot. So this two we had made in the oven, and this we have done on a pan. So the difference is, you can see the upper crust, and this is not having that crust. So but दोनों भी खाने में same है. The both are same in taste. So you can try any of this. So I'm going to enjoy this. You guys watch this video and do make this at home. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.